The elegant mid-range Avalon Catalina from our signature collection will inspire and excite you when you settle into the plush, handcrafted furniture and experience the thrill of its incredibly smooth, secure ride. Featuring Avalon's distinct deco wall design and fiberglass sculpted helmstand, Catalina stands out from the crowd with its sophistication and performance. And at the core of its DNA is the same innovation, performance, and style found in Avalon's premium class boats. So whether you're cruising with friends or seeking solace in a quiet cove, this popular offering is a brilliant way to experience the many joys of the pontoon lifestyle. This astonishing boat is available in 8 efficient layouts. The Elite floor plan features both a port and starboard bow bench. The aft portion of the boat has a corner seating area on the starboard side and a bench on the port side. Cruise floor plans feature both a port and starboard bow bench in addition to the aft corner seating area. The aft portion of the pontoon has 2 sun decks with storage compartments that are used to house the privacy station. Rear lounge features 2 electric rear-facing lounge seats in the aft portion of the boat. They have both port and starboard bow benches. The rear lounge also features an additional chair in the mid-area of the boat. Rear J lounge features an expansive aft lounging area in addition to the port and starboard bow benches. Quad lounge floor plans contain port and starboard benches in both the bow and aft portions of the boat. In addition to the captain's chair, there is also a portside chair. Entertainer boasts a bistro bar table with booth seating as well as a port galley. Cruise Funship features a waterslide, additional lounging area with storage, as well as radio controls accessible by ladder at the rear entry area below. Fish. If fishing is first and cruising is second, then check out the Quad Fish. If cruising is your aim but you want a fishing-equipped space, then choose Rear Fish. Either way, you get a fish finder, live well, and rod holders. Your masterpiece awaits. Experience true innovation, performance, and style. Experience Catalina, the art of the pontoon.